Hi, it's Wednesday. We have a few more words to talk about, how they're spelled, and then tomorrow is your test. So I hope that these words are making sense to you so that you can do well on your test tomorrow. Okay, so the first thing that we need to talk about with these words is why some of them have two vowels and one syllable. Well, in the first word, we have thrive. Yes, thrive, acquire, and promote are all phonetic skill 4. So we're going to talk about those. And then retreat and seize are phonetic skill 5. So we'll talk about those. So phonetic skill 4, which I'm going to call PS4. Phonetic skill 4 says that if you have a consonant and a vowel and an E, a consonant and an E at the end, that this vowel, so you mark your vowels, and your second vowel is silent, and it no longer matters that this guardian's here because this silent E tells that letter to say its name, so it becomes long. So that is phonetic skill 4. So in this word, that E doesn't make a sound. The guardian doesn't matter. It is no longer a guardian. And we have a long I here. And then in acquire, A is phonetic skill 3. So because there's not a guardian after it, it's long. QU actually is a pair because Q doesn't make a sound. It needs the U to make the qua sound. So our vowel is an I. So that's also phonetic skill 3 where there's no guardians on it. And then this E is actually silent because it actually could also be phonetic skill 4 and making that I have its name, but it's not really doing that because it's in a different syllable. So this E is just silent. So it's acquire. So that E doesn't really make a difference. And then in promote, because there's not a guardian, the O is long. And because there is an E, it makes this one long. So promote has two long O's because of phonetic skill 3 and phonetic skill 4. Okay, phonetic skill 5 says that if you have two vowels next to each other, then the second one is silent and the first one is long. So you mark your vowels. The guardian doesn't matter, so you don't need to mark it. The second one is silent and the first vowel is long. So in this one, there's just one syllable, seize. So we have the two vowels. This E is completely quiet and it doesn't do anything because this I is actually quiet according to phonetic skill 5. I didn't write the 5 on phonetic skill 5. But because of phonetic skill 5, it says when there's two vowels next to each other, the second one's silent and the first one's long. And then if we look at this word, phonetic skill 3 tells us when there's not a guardian, it's long, so re. And then phonetic skill 5 tells us our second vowel is silent and the first vowel is long. So phonetic skill 4 and 5 are helping us with our second part of the words. There is some phonetic skill 3s in there as well. On the re and the a and the pro are all phonetic skill 3, but they also follow phonetic skill 4 or phonetic skill 5. So make sure you keep track of those and you mark them correctly on your spelling test and in your practice today. So I want you to hit pause on the video and go write these words with all their syllable markings and the vowel markings and the breves in the background. Okay, go ahead and do that.